lucky I am, no matter what we do. Whether together or far apart, always together inside the heart.
Oh yes, I quite agree.
There's no one luckier than you and me. And Freddie makes 3.
I sure hope so.